Lemonado, my name is Mohammed Kuruma, commonly known as Big Mo. This is the Friendly Talk Show, and I get my co-host here, Amadou. How you do, sir?
Fine, nice and fine, buddy.
Tell God thank you.
How the weekend?
Man, they feel kind of sick, but I tell God thank you.
Okay.
How you safe? How the family and
and they, how you on there?
They do well. Thank God, alhamdulillah. I can't complain that much. Today we're talking about healthcare in Sierra Leone, pretty much. And the family when they listen to me, I know say this is one of the biggest problems in Sierra Leone. Our health system is kind of poor. You know, I'm not gonna blame nobody, but we're going to find a ways for make them easy for people and for let them get access to them and all that. So, Mr. Amadou, this is not the problem this will get in our country, the healthcare system.
So family them, before we even touch on healthcare, and don't forget for subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today we'll talk about healthcare, and so for healthcare, we want to touch on the infrastructure, right? We want to talk about the staff, the equipment, and also the upkeep with some of the hospital and salon. So for example, get Cottage, Connaught Hospital, and we get 34. But also the upline and back. Come on, don't forget about
it. We get hospital the upline.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well, we talk of the infrastructure side, like for take care of the building. We don't know how old the building they don't take. That one. The Connaught Cottage, I'm not saying a long time. It's more than 20, 30 years old. But the key thing is we need for upkeep the hospital if you go there, you're free. You go feel say we go to that hospital like you return again at home. And we really need for clean them and make sure say the building are up to date, modernize. Because if you look, we're now overseas here, we're going to hospital. We're happy for going back. Yeah. Well, I mean, we're not go happy for going pretty much. We're not going to sick. But guess what? You go no say yes, yeah, better day. I'm going to go back now. I'm okay. But now in Sierra Leone, we get for look up to that and try for fix the issues and they like cleaning the place, the building, and the equipment. All that them just not too good for upkeep with hospital them, and we really need for do something about it.
Okay, so for the the infrastructure side, right?
Yeah.
You feel say say you are right thinking say for example hospital in Ghana, and it's okay in about 50 years from now we renovate them.
Yes.
So like what you say about Connaught Cottage. You think, say, from what they build and not ever renovate them?
I don't feel so. Because we only go fast. We know. People they know, they will agree with me. They don't ever renovate them. From then and day. From when we get sense what small what they build Cottage, Connaught, I don't feel say they renovate them that much. Because we go there, I don't know, man. It's really frustrating. Okay. The government need to do something about that and try to fix and all the issues and they. Family, when I do again, we will talk about infrastructure, but we hospitals and Afriton and all. And we know say, easy for people in a salon. I believe you go agree with me with that talk.
Yeah, you're definitely right. Infrastructure is a big thing, especially when it comes to healthcare.
Correct.
We want to make sure say we healthcare first off, in terms of inside the hospital and you get for the information say and take care of them.
Correct.
The sanitation side, you get for be good. The housekeeping side, you get for be good. Right. The equipment, you get for be up to date.
Correct.
Now of course we can go down to in terms of the staff them, but I'm not more just jumping to that side right now. So let's talk on infrastructure.
Okay, the infrastructure side, the problem we get for land a culture of maintenance. This is a big deal.
Yeah.
Because we get building, you able to maintain them.
Right.
And we get building, you get for maintain them in a way that it will last long. Because we try for do things them for we picking or get can picking themselves. Because what I mean, at the CC we get hospital level and they see maintenance and none. And they see maintenance staff safe. For even take care of to upkeep the place.
So for Cottage, Connaught, that 34.
Not that I know of. I might be wrong, but I never see one. All the time why they go, because why they go town and they visit people in the hospital, we sick one, no. I can go greet them and tell them what they see, I know they're happy. And the time where me be born during the 70s, we campaign infrastructure and salon, it was a number one. It was a top notch. Meaning the place clean, you go look for Siam. But now it's a different story. And we got to do something about it. And guess what? Anytime we try to make a change, it's difficult, especially we campaign healthcare business.
Yeah.
If we want to make a change, we either they scrap the hospital and then bring a new ones and build a new ones. And don't forget no more, not to say fleet up no more people in day. Upline people in day, you understand?
Yeah.
And people in the upline, hospital in the upline, and I know for sure there is a big hospital that I know of where they call Kamakui Hospital. When the Americans then be take care of that hospital there. And he was a top notch. Just like Obi get my best then.
Yeah.
And now pretty much at the see people are sick, the defense will go Ghana. We don't forget what we want people. But me people, I know say una go agree with me what they talk, but we infrastructure and salon, but we hospital them. We not forget for subscribe and share we message and una make una comments them. We especially when they watch me so make you comments. We not there for oppose anybody. We job now for make people aware of what's happening in the country. And to be honest, we will still Sierra Leone at the top notch. We'll get the best. And also we'll get good doctors in the hospital and staff them. All in saying how they try for. We need try for bash no government. That's not our job. Mr. Amadou.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, far more than this now we own opinion, And if una get knowledge of them thing there, especially what they talk about the healthcare, so if una get knowledge of them, make we know. We also they learn from una, and also if una see something what she was saying are true, then make we know. But something what she will talk about if we don't know much about on get experience, especially if you're a doctor or the watches in a salon, you get experience. Make we know because
the nurses themselves,
because
they get caregivers them too.
You're right. Yeah, make we know because this now the whole purpose of this show now for uplift the country.
Correct.
So now
awareness pretty much.
Yep. So moving forward, one for talk about the staff them, right?
Yes.
So the staff them, let me say, for example, of the doctors and the amount if there's shortage, right? We get government the PIN code, right? Some psychology. We talk about mental illness. You can say salon, they get somebody who can get mental illness now. We don't keep one for being aware of them.
Knows them.
Yes. And someone not aware of them for say, we really need to focus on the canteen and day because a big thing in the country.
When we come to the staffing, we get the nurses them, we get the doctors and force, the nurses, then we get the caregivers them, and we don't touch on infrastructure.
Yeah.
And now we come at the staffing, we need to get maintenance staffing, and then we get cleaners them, where they take care of the hospital.
Yep.
All in we need them. And now what I find out, I want to understand what that is PIN code. Where government they ask, most of the people that we go school at home, where they don't know the nurses, they're satisfied, and get the certification and everything. As a complete nurse or a doctor, they get go work for us for some time before they get some PIN code.
Right?
Yes, because I really want, I don't understand. My family only watch me, I go be wrong, or maybe I might be right. Waiting at this PIN code and why do we need a PIN code? Una make una comments and share this message and we didn't ask for make people aware of what they go on now we health department because we really need for improve them so much, especially the staffing in the infrastructure side and then the equipment and all that.
Yeah, I mean, going back to what you talk about the staffing, right? You for say even the doctor nurses them, they take bribe. Which good. Because the And the reason for it do obviously because the government are supposed to pay them the sufficient amount of money.
Okay.
Because how you going for go take bribe, right? If they pay you enough money, obviously they pay you enough for making government for doing it, and which is wrong, you know. And even I say for this pin code here, so they talk about you say me not really know, get much knowledge, but I say they bribe people them will get it down there.
Okay.
Which you know right.
Okay, what's me understand about that? The pin code. It really hard getting, especially when you don't finish your school. You dey able say they can begin to make money.
Yeah.
All anything in it. And then they know able give you a pin code. Some man they work for 1-2 years, you know, they get pin code.
Man, you know good. You know
exactly.
Good. I mean,
The government really need to look on that. We need to get paid.
Yeah,
They need for get paid. The people they need for get paid, especially the nurses. The one who don't go school for nurse, the doctors, them, and even the caregivers, and they need for pay them.
Not true. And the more they say they watch this, associate them watch it and over say, okay, well, you know, if there's nobody paying code, they will say, well, the people coming for so I mean the nurses they can bribe because of maybe they need pay enough money, you know. So please, family of now they watch this, when I not say, you know, they need pay owner. More we know because this also for just me and my brother and more. This is not for the country. And whenever say but they watch this, so many said they know, right? So that we go for put iPad aside there and hopefully we go for advocate for push for make them if the government they pay they only do a job the right way, we then go for do them the right way. And also if people then they will say patient, they will say no, I just speak to them. Then people say doctor, and you do the thing the right way. Then back go for come and say, okay, hey, I don't think I just speak to, you know. I experienced this based on the drive channel experience with the doctor and they do this, you know, or the doctor do this, right? But then government support them. Okay. You know.
Well, what he says is not bad. It makes sense. But what me they say, even me say my sister not be well a couple of weeks ago, in the hospital.
They feel good now.
Much better now.
Okay.
But the picture I see, because I call on video, I was like, hey God, let God make a command out to my body. Because I didn't say I don't be worried about, you know, and it come back to the staffing. Because then they really take care of, then they really try for help them so much so for make it become better and go home.
Okay. So
they try that side, I don't go lie.
So basically, Italic says Sierra Leone, right? They don't get a hospital system, right? Which means, for example, we get a hospital system, right? You get the doctors them, right? You get the emergency unit side. You get the housekeeper them. You get the surgeon them.
Right.
You know. So you get the people that will say they give belly. You know, if you want down for born picking.
Right.
Then we go learn the anesthesia them. Then get different department them. So salon.
You can call it the midwives them.
Yeah. So salon. I mean, based on that, right? If they get them, maybe not get enough of them. Maybe they make somebody.
Well, I make we get nurses them, we now brown new nurses them, we them for encourage, and even the doctors and for encourage them so that they will get more staffs them, and when they get more staffs them, but putting in the way that we will do, we will help the help care of people then.
So I mean, you know, the way how the country in terms of the system, right? The way how they will turn infrastructure, staffing, right? You know, a need for improve, a need for modernize. You know, we need for modernize them. You know what I mean? Because the way how we do right now, obviously, you know, they upkeep, structure. You know, the government need for do them part. You know, also we back the people them back. We also need for do them part. And of course, what was supposed to, but then the housekeeper them. If now let's say 2 or 3 then get right. They need for hire more. Yeah, we get for stop from for say this in anything in general. We cannot say just this country how this work, right? You get for spend money for make money.
Yeah,
you understand?
Of course, yes.
So which means if the government, how they do it, man, the government for understand say this hospital business here, right? Now for we people them,
right?
Now for we people them, you know, you want for make sure say salon, right? First of the death rate, for below.
Yeah.
The birth rate, can you say somebody them where they born picking, not to I'm not forget percentage,
right?
But some of the picking they die and the number is high compared to other countries there.
Correct.
And for be so, Them for, you know, we don't forget the confidence was okay. If I be picking, are you going to hospital today?
Right.
Be picking for come out
Safe.
safe. Thank you. You
Yeah.
know.
Which yeah, like I said, the government they get for try for do their own part, and let we say do their own part. And they have family where they we view as they watch me right now on our house. And not forget for subscribe, share with message, and make a comment. And I know say some of them tell how they talk, so you must not come across what they tell us so right now. And una share with message and make comments.
You know, and the thing back with, you know, the doctor them. I always say some doctor then, right? Now one time then you can just see patients. And which is you know right. You know, why as a doctor, you know, you only to go see patients one time a day. You know, I think say, you know, based on what you notice now in this country, right? You know, doctors they get a routine. So let's say if they come, they can't see a patient, right? Then they tell the patient say, okay, when they come back, we can't see you, or then go refer you to another. I'm not going to say specialist, but I'm going to refer you to somebody else. When I'm going to say, okay, we apprentice. I don't know, not at the term for that hospital term, but we apprentice. They can watch after you. Okay. You know, if you need something,
I think
reach out to that person
I think that caregivers them.
Okay, the caregiver. Yeah, well, yeah. So also the caregiver them. You know, so on the doctor back, they come. And they come after the caregiver. You don't talk to the caregiver. The doctor back. They come back. Let's say in about 20 minutes or so. They come back. We can make sure say, hey, everything okay? Did they take care of you? Did they do this to you for treat you better? You know. So we need to make sure say the doctor need to do that. They don't just can say, I see this person one time. Okay. I left him, and the next day I come back. What if something bad happened to that person?
Okay, I understand. We know say this problem and they everywhere, and I say, we know that. Mm-hmm. But we don't not just mention feet on no more. Look, the people in the upline.
Yeah, you're right.
And I know say most of the good hospitals they be the billion upline, like Babeseme, Kamakwe Hospital. They be so good. The staffing was good and nice. Because me Darina one of the builders at that hospital there, which I know. Mm-hmm. You know. Me Darina they meet me mama actually. Let's so rest in peace. They all too. Because I did me that they meet me mama. I go walk. Yeah. They hook her up. Mm-hmm. Just like what they say, it's a good man. Right, they hook her up. They hook her up. I say, where they can account to man. I don't do it. Oh man, you go open my account to man. You see my father so.
But you see, everyone was entered in the hospital.
Exactly.
Nice.
It is so nice.
Nice.
What you can mention this is something that the whole talk thing we go for make fun, let people get fun.
Yeah.
You know,
right.
Help people themselves enjoy small, you know.
Yeah.
I just go a little token of the jokes that I can get. But this is not what me and daddy I just make so let you know say no more. I can make jokes to anybody. So like that too, guy.
Yeah, so me from them, you know, one more could not say what they talk about here. When they talk about say we they talk for put the country down. No. This nothing they will say people them been when they go through this. I should say they happy was say they really about this or bring up this topic here.
Yes.
Because they want to make somebody else bring that voice there. Yes. Some of the man they were saying there's something no never forget the voice.
We not the voice now we they talk for the people
Yes.
And we need to bash the country. We need to bash the government. And we appeal to the government for let them help we build more hospitals them. Ambulance them, more equipment and so that it will help with healthcare system at the country. Because of that now we go. And our Lord know one thing. Sierra Leone are the only country we will get. And now we consider now we beloved country that we can do anything as a family. Mm-hmm. And we all a family, we go for lek we serve. You know, Titi and Tom says they can jam. But guess what? They are in the same spot. So it's like the same thing in family. And then, Unalo always try for humble myself and love one another. And God bless Sierra Leone and God bless Una already listening. Thank you.